If you have dry skin, you probably understand the challenges of keeping your face moisturized and healthy. The first step in any skincare routine is to thoroughly cleanse your skin. Try to avoid cleansers that contain alcohol, parabens, fragrances, and sodium lauryl sulfate, since these ingredients can lead to even more dryness and irritation. If your skin is very dry, only cleanse your face at night and simply rinse your face with warm water in the morning. If you're using the right cleanser, your skin should feel supple and hydrated after washing. After cleansing, a serum or face oil can help to give your skin a boost of vitamins, antioxidants, and additional moisture. Look for serums that contain hydrating ceramides, soothing aloe vera, or radiance-boosting vitamin E. During the day, make sure you're using a fragrance-free moisturizer with SPF to help protect your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays. Those with dry skin should opt for heavier creams that contain ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, plant-derived glycerin, and other natural moisturizers such as coconut oil, honey, avocado, and shea butter. Dry, cracked lips can be painful and difficult to treat, so make sure to slather on a good balm multiple times a day. Look for lip balms with shea butter, cocoa butter, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, or honey. If your lips are extra dry, try exfoliating with an oil-based lip scrub. While applying a hydrating face mask to your dry skincare routine doesn't have to be a daily task, you should consider working a mask in at least once a week. Sheet masks that are packed with ingredients including hyaluronic acid, collagen, algae, and peptides are great options.